Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to remove scratches, scuffs, or marks off of any flat screen TV with regular rubbing alcohol. This is Isopropyl rubbing alcohol 91%, but you can use any percentage. It doesn't matter if it's 51 or 71%. You could, in place of this, you could actually use vodka if you have it, but as of right now we're just going to be using rubbing alcohol. Now, when you have the scratch, you don't want to put the full 91%, so you want to dilute it into water. So you really want to put an average of about 50% alcohol solution onto the scratch. So for example, if you have 50% alcohol, that's fine. On this, I want to dilute it with water. So as you can see here, this is half water and half rubbing alcohol because this is so highly concentrated. So the only thing you're going to need, of course, is this, your alcohol or vodka, cotton balls, a Q-tip, and preferably a microfiber cloth that you get at Walgreens or Walmart or some other store like that. You can technically use the cotton balls in place of the microfiber in order to rub it in. That's fine as well. You don't really want to use paper towels because that's too coarse on the screen. And you don't want the alcohol to sit too long on the TV screen because it will wear off the protecting coat that you have on the TV. So let's go ahead and make our scratches for demonstration purposes. Okay, you can see there, pretty nasty scratch. So what we're going to do is get our Q-tip, dip it into our half rubbing alcohol, half water, and we're going to go ahead and go over the scratch like this. As you can see there, it's starting to already do its work. Really well. Okay, so now let's get our microfiber or cotton ball and then go in a circular motion, and that's going to put the rubbing alcohol into the scratch. Doing a wonderful job. Again, we don't want that to sit too long. Now to dry, we're going to get our cotton ball and again go in a circular motion. Now if you actually physically go up there and look, you're still going to see the scratch. But the main thing is when you're viewing, the scratch is not going to show up while you're watching TV. Alright, now if you don't have rubbing alcohol for whatever reason, there's two other household products that you can use that are actually sometimes considered even better than the rubbing alcohol. The very best one I've come across is Vaseline petroleum jelly. Amazing. And you apply it basically the same way. I'll put a link at the end of this video showing you how to use petroleum jelly. And the second one, which is awesome, is Colgate toothpaste, or you could just use regular toothpaste. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.